Hi guys, on this video I'll be showing you how to make potato bhajias at home. So I started off by peeling my potatoes and washed them like you can see here, and then I went ahead and cut into smaller pieces these shapes, and you can see the size that I cut. Do not cut thick ones and do not cut too thin ones. And then I went ahead to make the paste. Into a big bowl I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I added garlic, that is 1 head of garlic. I added turmeric, paprika and salt, and then I added dhania, and then I gave that a very good mix. And as for the spices, you can add more depending on your preference. I prefer to add just a little bit of turmeric for color, and you can use also yellow food color in place of turmeric. And then I went ahead and added 1 cup of warm water and then gave that a good mix. And the idea is to make a thick paste to coat the potatoes with. So you're going to add water gradually like you can see on the video, and then you're going to end up with something like this, a paste that is not too runny and it is not too thick. And at this point you can taste the paste, just to be sure that the seasoning is right. And then after this you're just going to take your potatoes one by one, and then you're going to dip it into the paste. Ensure that it is covered on both sides like you see here, and then you're going to heat oil in a pan. And once the oil is hot enough, you are now going to take the coated potato and start frying, deep frying. And it is pretty simple at this point. I just prefer to take the potatoes one by one, ensuring that it is fully coated, and then you're going to deep fry this for at least 2 minutes on each side, just to ensure that it is cooked and that it is that you get the color that you prefer. And one more tip: when you're frying your bhajia, just ensure that you do not crowd the pan. Ensure that there is space for the bhajias to cook well and evenly, without squeezing and without lying on top of each other like you see here. So you're just going to make sure that when one side cooks, now take a spoon or whatever you prefer to use. I prefer to use a spoon. You can use a spatula. Just turn the potatoes to the other side, just to ensure that both sides are fully cooked. And once you're satisfied that the potatoes are fully cooked, you can remove the first batch and add the next batch. And guys, like you've seen, it is not so hard to make this bhajia, so I'm sure it is something that you can try whenever you want to get a snack for your children, or whenever you're looking for something fancy to make for your family. So I just went ahead and kept turning and turning until I was satisfied that the potatoes were cooked. And at this point I was okay with the cooking, so I just went ahead and scooped the bhajia from the hot oil. Ensure that you are doing this carefully, not to burn yourself. And then you're going to place them on top of a kitchen towel to ensure that the potatoes drain off the excess oil, and the bhajias are ready. Like you can see, it is so easy to make them. Serve them with your favorite sauce, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. If you've got some ukwaju sauce, you can serve with that. Some chili sauce goes perfectly with it. I just served mine with tomato sauce, and it was perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.